Hey Pop-Tarts, let's make some lemon blueberry bread. Now as always, I'm making a bigger batch than you, but I will say and put your ingredients here on the screen. In your mixer bowl, 1 cup of granulated sugar and the zest of 1 lemon. Don't get rid of that lemon. You know we're gonna use it. And you need 1/3 of a cup melted butter. Just let it cool a little. Mix those together. Putting your zest in with the sugar and your butter and creaming it together will help it bond to the sugar granules and carry all the way through your bread. Now, this is a great bread to make in like spring and summer, but honestly, there's no season on lemon blueberry for me. So we're doing it. You will need 2 eggs. I drop those in, let it incorporate a little, drop another one in. This recipe will make 1 large loaf, which I believe is like 9 by 5. But I like to use this recipe to make mini loaves that are about this big. They're great if you have a smaller household or if you want to have that in addition to a couple of other things. And quick breads, which is something that this is often called, or like a sweet bread, something like these freeze really well as well. So that's a bonus. So when your fruits and such are in season, or maybe you grow fruit as well, make all the things you can, freeze it, and then you can pull it out any time of year. All right, we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of salt in everything sweet, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you are going to juice the lemon that you zested and add that fresh lemon juice right in. I just use my hand to strain for seeds. All right, you need 1/2 cup of milk and 1.5 cups of flour, and you can just alternate them. And then you just need a cup of blueberries. Fresh blueberries, if you have it. If not, frozen, just don't thaw them. I would even toss them in maybe a tablespoon of flour, your frozen blueberries, so that kind of coats them because they're going to thaw and lose some moisture, and add it to your mix. Get this nice and smooth. And we're going to fold in the blueberries. I told you, this was super easy. Quick bread. All right, let's fold in our blueberries. Let's fold them in. Now, if your batter feels too thick, add a little bit more milk, because you want this to easily move so we can easily fold in the blueberries without crushing things. There you go. Consistency should be like a medium thickness. Should be able to move off your spatula. All right, let's pour these into the prepared pans. I like to do butter and flour, rub butter on it, dump some flour on, tip it around, and then knock out the excess. Comes out clean every single time. Trust me on that. Even in nonstick pans. I like to fill them up nice and full. Now I just did a sugar top on these, but they are delicious if you bake them, let them cool, and do a lemon glaze over top. Yes, but this will also give you like a crunchy texture on top, and then you'll have the soft lemon and blueberry. Oh, love it. 30 to 35 minutes in the oven at 350, and then you are good to go. I'll show you what they look like when they come out, but this is a recipe you're gonna wanna save. Okay, seriously hot from the oven. Look at these beauties. Can you see the sugar glistening? Can you see it? Oh my goodness. People say marry me chicken, right? Marry me lemon blueberry bread. Go out there, get yourself a man or a woman. Or if that doesn't work for you, just go adopt a cat. Okay, so lemon blueberry bread. It's a must make. Share with your friends.